Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to link to a local file in monday.com. So first navigate to linkyourfile.com, and now as you can see, open any file or folder from any web application without downloading it. So it works really simply. You just right click on the file you want and click on create link. It is really simple, so this is how it works in 5 steps. You will install this plugin, then access through right click and click on create link on the file. Then you can simply paste the link in the app, and whenever you want to get back to your file, just click the link and the app launches. So it is a one-time purchase only for 39 euros right now, so you can buy it now or try it for free. Here are some frequently asked questions, so feel free to read them at linkyourfile.com. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.